Good luck, guys.
Yeah, good luck,
Good luck,
everyone.
guys. Yep.
So I'm gonna bring Amazon up since that's the crowd favorite. And I'll be watching Tesla on NVIDIA, just on the watch screen here. See what kind of direction we get. Get the tick up here. So we could have a pull down a little bit with the tick, you know. Tesla's coming down. Amazon's coming down. So we got 1100 tick positive. So I'm going to take Amazon long at 3 2 10 at the top of this candle. All right. Does that make sense?
Got it.
So if you guys want to scalp it down, that's fine. I'm just not going to do that right now.
I got it for you.
I figured someone did. And I mean, it's good. It's a good trade. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that at all. Let me switch this over to the 5 real quick just to see if I can get a star. Next candle up here, you know.
Out of that. That was a quick scalp. That was nice.
Yeah, good. That's an awesome trade. That's definitely in our curriculum, so I'm glad you did that. Zoom is just cooking.
Yep. Jason Powers called that out this morning.
Did he?
Yep.
Well, a lot of good that does now.
He told me anyway.
I'm happy for you. I didn't hear him. Sorry, man.
He texted me to call.
Oh, that's just awesome. You guys are closet trading again.
I know. Hey, this is really weak, man.
Yeah, but it's retracing back up.
I'm not taking it. Yeah.
You know, it's you see how Amazon's popping here.
Yeah, I'm looking at this.
So I'm taking some calls. It's probably you're like, well, why don't you wait for the tick to come all the way back down? Well, 510, 310s, 3210s my entry, and I just want to take it because it's going up. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Qs are almost popping here. Got SPY. Just going in the direction of the stock. Got a new candle here. Guy should be super green in it. Moving to the 10.
I got that with you.
So what's our rule? We do not let it go back and take out all our profit. Okay? Like to see this up in the 325 today. That'd be nice. 3250, you know.
That's what I was looking for.
Break through the 20, 14, 15, and the 20 here.
That's a good number for it. There goes Tesla.
Mm-hmm.
No way you could have sat through that though. Amazon looks like it wants to fly.
Yeah, it just needs to break the 20 here and we're good. Looks nice and strong.
Yeah, it looks really good here.
How good? How good? Like really, really good, or just good? Good.
Looks really good. As the tip keeps getting lower, it's going to launch.
Think it's gonna break 20?
I do.
What's the consensus out there? Take the profit and leave it, let it go? Should we just take our money now, or should we let it go?
I'm staying in it. Q's need to fire off this hammer here.
Yeah, it looked pretty good. It looked good.
Yeah, it's good. Here we go. You got to squeeze one off on the 78, one higher too.
Man. Squeezing it.
You know it.
So I'm going to take a little profit here at the 218, just because I got a pretty good pile of stuff here. So I'm going to get it down to half, you know, and just manage the rest. Not going to let this go back $1 into my profit. So the worst that I can do on this trade is there's like maybe $2.50 of my profit here. Okay. Whatever that is for you guys, if you're up $6 or $8, don't let it scissor back in to get $4 of your profit. Okay. Can always get back in. Take a little cash off the table, you know. I know Eric's in this, and he just got out, and he just made $5. So I'm out of this trade. It's probably going to slingshot back up again. Let's see how I managed that, right?
You did great.
Took the profit, came back down. I slid my order right in there, and I was like, nah, not gonna give it up. Done. Now, can always get back in. It's not that big a deal. This is called day trading, okay?
Second run's usually the strongest.
And we got long-term courses in other places. You can watch the daily, you know?
Yep. Let's watch this, see if it runs here.
Yeah, it's probably going to.
Second run's usually the
So
best.
let's see, is it holding the hard body of the candle up? Yes. So it's holding and running again. There she goes. You guys have got a second time to take some profit at the 18. So here gives you another opportunity to get some cash in your pocket. So take half, let the rest run. So it's giving you another opportunity to trade the way you should. Okay? This is $8, guys. That's $6 on the option. It's huge. It's a lot of money.
Yeah, it was sweet. Got that again.
Just keep trading that way. Onto the stop, 50% of the profit. Gets up $5-6, take some cash. $6 is a lot, you know?
Yep.
Let the rest run. Comes back down where your stop is, close to your stop, get out, get back in. If I sound like a parrot, I should.
Reinforcement's the way to learn.
Yeah, I mean, control the risk and the position size. Because now when you get 10 or 15 of these puppies and you take half your profit and you're up $6, 6 times 10, that's a lot of money. You know? If you had 5, it's still $3,000. If you had 3, you're still up $1,800. Last time I checked, that's a lot of money in 5 minutes. So if you're back in this trade again, you've already taken half your profit. It's at the top of the wick. If it blows through the top, then stay in it to the 320, 3220. Stay in it with the last part of your shares. If it goes down to 15, get out. Okay? So it's holding the top part here. So it's holding the high of the day. And it's bouncing into the 3220. And you guys are in my long-term Amazon trade right now. You guys are killing it. Tell me you're not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
But actually, there's like, it just barely went positive. I'm really surprised at how little that thing moved, being the stock up 30.
Yeah, we're also into 3160 too. Those strikes. Also, you know.
Yeah, but this 32s, I was really surprised. I thought it would have moved a lot more with a 30.
Oh, it's going to though. You got 2 weeks of love, of a lot of love coming your way. You know.
It's starting to move. It's starting to move now, but yeah, when it was around 26, 27, it was actually like just breaking even.
Yeah, it just took a little time. Like you said, maybe there was a little decay. But thank God we got 2 weeks. Wait, when we got Prime Day coming up, imagine what that's going to do. What are they going to do, like 9 billion or something, 7, 8 billion? I don't know. What
So we
they're
got
gonna do.
Prime Day is what, Tuesday and Thursday?
Yeah, Tuesday, Thursday.
Yeah.
So I mean, think what this does for 3 days. You know.
Mm-hmm.
So we're all waiting for.
See, we've been adding to these positions too, so you're getting all that nice positioning as that stock went down. I've had people add to those positions, plus add to the 3160 position. So
I brought my original ones were like 136, and I brought my cost down to like 106.
yeah, it's amazing.
This is Roku. Historically, we've traded for years. You know, every time it ran up, it always came back down. It's pretty far away from the moving averages. I wonder when that thing's going to start coming back down.
Yeah, it's just been getting upgraded every minute. Now they're with Amazon and they're at Peacock, whatever. I don't know what they call it. The TV. Everybody's on this bandwagon now. I'm not really a Roku fan just because it's choppy, you know. Yeah, Apple's on the launching pad. You see what's going on with Apple, right?
That's what I was just looking at, buddy.
So you got the nice Apple smoking up here. You got Zoom's continuing. Thanks, Jason. Appreciate that. And then
Tesla's launching.
you got Tesla. You got some stocks going up. You got the Qs going up. Don't be aggressive. If you didn't get it, wait for a pullback, then take it. All right? You guys should be pretty much done with that trade there, with that Amazon trade.
Yeah, I'm done.
You should just be like, wow.
Yeah, I'm done.
There should be wow going on right now. The wow factor. Like, wow,
Yeah.
I just made $7, $8, $6, $7, $4, $5, $6. You can't do that in Roku, and you cannot do that in Apple. Okay? Sorry, but it's not going to happen. You know? Maybe, and Roku may go down $10, but I bet it goes down 2 or 3.
We're gonna get a pullback here in this Amazon soon, you think, or forget about that today?
I think it's on its way up.
Yeah,
Just because it's holding the high bar here.
half a candle.
Yeah, and it's holding the high of the previous wick, you know? If it starts breaking down through like this 18, then yeah. But it's holding, it's pretty solid.
Shame Nvidia's selling off.
I mean, yeah, you could take puts. It's really the only tech that's actually, well, Facebook is kind of going down a little bit.
Looks like Tesla's moving through the MAs.
Yeah, Tesla looks good.
Amazon's looking very strong here.
For sure. So if you got Tesla, your stop would have to be about 428.86. You got to give this about $1.60. It's a double bar. I'm not taking it, but it's just past the close for $4. You got a little bit of pre-mark to go through, but I mean, it looks strong. I'm more of an Amazon fan personally, just because it trades a lot cleaner, you know? It's not as jerky.
Yeah,
That's just me though.
that entire move of Tesla's $2, $2.50.
Yeah, I mean, it's moving.
Amazon does that in a hiccup, you know.
Yeah, this is that's huge. So if you're still in this, you're like, wow, what am I going to do? Take some more profit. Because I know you guys didn't get out. Because if you don't get out of your stops when it's going down, and you let them run down, then why get out of the longs? Might as well just use the same formula, you know? You know what I mean? Not being sarcastic. It's just like, if you're not going to follow the stop rule, then why follow the 50% rule? Just let it go. I mean, it's the same way, right?
Yep.
I mean,
Q's are parabolic here.
I like just being this 50% guy, because then I know every day I know where my stop is. I know the 50%. I can always get back in. And then I'm green every week. This was a big day. Not trying to make friends here, guys. I'm just trying to save your ass. So you make money. You think about it. I want you to think about it. Think about stuff. Not, oh wow, well, cool, this is awesome, man. We're just killing it. And everybody's like, I didn't do very well. Why? Ask yourself why. And then just question your trading plan, okay? And if you all did great,
Did good. You got a double top possibility here if it's going to roll. This would be the place, but 3230.
mm-hmm. Do you mean because of the day before?
Yeah, I just don't see it. It's just strong today. Probably just blow straight through.
What's so crazy is the options were so much more expensive yesterday than today
Yeah.
for the 23rd.
Mm-hmm.
Must have been the volatility from that big run.
Yeah, just a lot of, like you said, there's a lot of factors involved with it. We had that huge gap down one day and then it went back up. So the option chart had to kind of adjust. You know, we had that $90, $110 move down and what was it, 95, 98 up the next day. That kind of messes with them a little bit. You'll see them change a lot probably next week. Well, definitely change 2 weeks into the earnings. You'll wake up one day and you'll be like, what is going on? Remember? Usually they're like, how much are they? That'll just be the first week, you know, like every week that it goes up.
As we said, no reason to take puts here.
Yeah, those long term, I'm up a ton of money in those long term. I had no doubt this wasn't going to go up. I wasn't worried about a tweet.
Mm-hmm.
Wasn't worried about news. Had nothing to do with the fundamentals of the stock for long term. Zero. And if you can't handle these movements and the ATR is 100, you're going to get $100 moves. It doesn't matter. I look at that 78 and that hour chart and the 360 hour chart and tell me if that wasn't like $100 each direction for the last 5-6 days. It didn't mean that it was going down. It was hitting support, you know? That makes sense, okay? You're dealing with a $3,000 stock, not Apple. Now, if Apple dropped $100, okay, we got an issue, you know?
Mm-hmm.
It's just, you gotta leave it in perspective.
Yeah.
Zoom and RH are just gone.
You got a Morningstar forming on NVIDIA here on the 10. Bouncing off the lows.